Good morning everyone. I am Tanvi Kulkarni from class 10 studying in Klein Memorial School, Pune. Be the change you want to see in the world. Do you know whose inspiring words are these? Yes, you are right. It was Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are celebrating 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. As we all know, he played a significant role in our nation's freedom struggle. And his influence on the Indian masses was tremendous. Friends, today I will be telling you some aspects in the life of Mahatma Gandhi which perhaps you may not have heard of. Do you know the honorific title Mahatma or the Great Soul was given to him in 1914 and he is called Bapu in India. The life of Mahatma Gandhi inspired the thinking of many world leaders. Among them are Nelson Mandela, Barack Obama and Martin Luther King Jr. Gandhiji considered Gopal Krishna Gokhale as his political guru. Also, Lokmanya Tilak was forerunner to Gandhiji. He filled the void in India's freedom struggle that was created after the death of Lokmanya Tilak. Gandhiji's famous hunger strikes and the message of non-violence helped to unite the country. He considered that he had nothing new to teach the world. Truth and non-violence are as old as the hills. Gandhiji's image has appeared on all the denominations of Indian rupees since 1996. Do you know, in 2007, the United Nations declared October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence to honor Gandhiji's message of non-violence. Also, Great Britain released a stamp honoring Gandhiji 21 years after his death. Interestingly, Gandhiji was responsible for civil rights movement in 4 continents and 12 countries. Interestingly, Gandhiji spoke English with an Irish accent because one of his first teachers was an Irishman. Friends, there are some aphorisms that Gandhiji pronounced which we use regularly now. One of such is, earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Don't we all utter these words now often? Well, Gandhiji gave them to us and they are relevant in today's world. He used to give great emphasis on cleanliness or Swachhata. Keeping this in mind, the Government of India launched the biggest cleanliness drive of India, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Let us all pledge to follow these ideas and make India clean. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you are safe and healthy at your homes. Today, on this occasion of 151st Gandhi Jayanti, I, Vedika Joshi of class 10B from Klein Memorial School of UPS, am here to tell you some facts about Mahatma Gandhi and also some famous quotes said by him. Facts. Mahatma Gandhi's mother tongue was Gujarati. His birthday is commemorated worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. He was assassinated in the garden of the former Birla House. In 1930, he was the Time Magazine Man of the Year. He fought for the rights of untouchables and called them as Harijans, meaning children of God. He was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize many times in 1937, 1938, 1939, 1947 and finally a few days before he was murdered in 1948. Mahatma Gandhi was not born with the title Mahatma. He was given the title by the Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. In 1959, Gandhi Memorial Museum was established. It is located in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. It preserves a blood-stained garment of Mahatma Gandhi when he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. He has written 2 books. One, his autobiography which is named The Story of My Experiments with Truth, and the other, Indian Home Rule, in which he has expressed his thoughts on Swaraj. Now I would like to share some famous quotes said by Mahatma Gandhi. An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. This quote has a very deep meaning. It conveys that revenge cannot always be a solution to your problems. Where there's love, there's life. If you don't ask, you don't get it. In a gentle way, you can shake the whole world. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Action expresses priorities. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Hate the sin, love the sinner. I hope you have a very nice day. Stay safe and a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Respected principal sir, teachers and everyone out there listening my video. I am Ayush Gatagar from 10th A from Klein Memorial School. October 2 is celebrated as birth anniversary of a father of a nation. He was respected by everyone and lived in the hearts of many Indians. He was an ordinary man with an extraordinary will to do something in his life with his philosophy of truth. Mahatma Gandhi's life is like a textbook. He never asked anyone to do something for him, but always guided everyone. He is a role model for our new generation, as he was an ideal example for whatever he thought and whatever he spoke. Now friends, let me tell you something about Gandhiji. He was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 5 times, but unfortunately never won it. Britain released a stamp honoring him after 21 years of his death. He wrote letters to many renowned people during that time, like Hitler, Albert Einstein, and many more. 21 Indian soldiers as stretcher bearer during the Bamta uprising to treat the wounded soldiers. Thus, this day, 2nd October 1869, a great reformer was born who changed the shape of whole Indian history just by his principles of non-violence and truth. Just give a think, can we not become Gandhiji? In the world where man is against man and everyone is just being selfish and thinking about its own development, can we not just start using any one of his principles, and then the world will be a much better place to live. Now I would like to start a poem. As the most impenetrable darkness is dissipated by a single ray of light, so an army of evil are defeated by a single virtuous man. For good has his side. Thank you. Have a nice day.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं कृष्णा व्यास आप सभी को गांधी जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। महात्मा गांधी जी ने कहा था कि सत्याग्रह में एक पद प्रेम आध्यात्म है। सत्याग्रह मध्यम पद लोभी संधि है। सत्याग्रह यानी सत्य के लिए प्रेम द्वारा आग्रह है। सत्याग्रह का शाब्दिक अर्थ सत्य के लिए आग्रह करना है। भारत माता को अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से मुक्त कराने के लिए कई आंदोलन हुए, जिसमें सत्याग्रह आंदोलनों का अपना एक विशेष महत्व है। सत्याग्रह 19वीं शताब्दी के अंतिम दशक में गांधी जी के दक्षिण अफ्रीका के भारतीयों के अधिकारों की रक्षा के लिए कानून भंग शुरू करने तक संसार निशस्त्र प्रतिकार अथवा निश्चय प्रतिरोध पैसिव रेजिस्टेंस की युद्ध नीति से ही परिचित था। यदि प्रतिपक्षी की शक्ति हमसे अधिक है तो सशस्त्र विरोध का कोई अर्थ नहीं रह जाता। सत्याग्रह में अपने विरोधी के प्रति हिंसा के लिए कोई स्थान नहीं है। गांधी जी अहिंसावादी थे। धर्म एवं सहानुभूति से विरोधी को उसकी गलती से मुक्त कराना चाहिए। विरोधी को कष्ट अथवा पीड़ा देकर नहीं, बल्कि स्वयं कष्ट उठाकर सत्य का रक्षण करना है। गांधी जी के अहिंसात्मक आंदोलन और सत्याग्रह का जन्म दक्षिण अफ्रीका में ही हुआ। सन 1906 में दक्षिण अफ्रीकी सरकार ने भारतीयों के लिए एक अपमानजनक अध्यादेश जारी किया। इस समय गांधी जी दक्षिण अफ्रीका। सितंबर 1906 में जोहान्सबर्ग में गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में एक विरोध सभा का आयोजन हुआ। गांधी जी ने बिना किसी हिंसा के दक्षिण अफ्रीका में वहां के सुरक्षा कर्मियों के सामने अध्यादेश को आग के हवाले कर दिया। इस पर गांधी जी को लाठीचार्ज भी झेलना पड़ा, लेकिन वह पीछे नहीं हटे। इसके बाद वह भारत लौटे। भारतवासियों के मानवाधिकारों पर का हनन करने वाले रॉलेट एक्ट का विरोध होने लगा। 1919 में जालियनवाला बाग में हो रही विरोध सभा पर हुए अत्याचार ने गांधी जी की अंतरात्मा को हिला दिया। इसके बाद वह स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन की भागदौड़ संभाल संघर्ष में कूद पड़े। गांधी जी का संकेत पाते ही पूरे देश में विरोधी आंदोलनों की अंग्रेज सरकार की लाठी गोलियां बरसने लगी। जेलें सत्याग्रहियों से भर उठी। गांधी जी को भी जेल में डाल दिया गया। भारत में पहला सत्याग्रह 1917 में नील की खेती वाली चंपारण जिले में हुआ। इसके बाद के वर्षों में सत्याग्रह के तरीके के रूप में उपवास और आर्थिक बहिष्कार का उपयोग किया गया। दांडी यात्रा सत्याग्रह या नमक सत्याग्रह, खेड़ा का किसान सत्याग्रह आदि गांधी जी के प्रमुख सत्याग्रह थे। गांधी जी का मानना था कि सत्याग्रह कहीं भी संभव है क्योंकि यह किसी को भी परिवर्तित कर सकता है। इन सत्याग्रहों को विश्व के अनेक देशों को पराधीनता से मुक्त करने के लिए सर्वोत्तम हथियार बनाया गया। गांधी जी ने यह सिद्ध कर दिया कि युद्ध केवल बंदूक और बम से लड़ा नहीं जा सकता, बल्कि अहिंसा और सत्याग्रह युद्ध को जीतने के अंतिम साधन है। क्या आप लोगों ने लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई नहीं देखी? सन 1942 में मुंबई कांग्रेस के अवसर पर गांधी जी द्वारा अंग्रेजों को दी गई चेतावनी, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो और भारतवासियों को करो या मरो की दी गई ललकार का जो परिणाम निकला उसे देखकर अंग्रेज काफी घबरा गए। इसके बाद अंग्रेज शासक अपना बोरिया बिस्तर बांधकर भारत छोड़ इंग्लैंड जाने के लिए बाध्य हो गए। अंततः 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन भारत स्वतंत्र हो गया। धन्यवाद।